Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Honda Pilot. Stock number is A6818. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera, and this Pilot is four-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.